In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change folder color in Outlook. If you want your inbox to feel more organized at a glance, giving your folders distinct colors is a simple and effective upgrade. I'll walk you through doing this in Outlook on the web, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make the most of it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook. Then look for the official Outlook site in the results and click through. Once your mailbox loads, you'll see the familiar layout with your folder list on the left side panel. That left pane is where all the action happens for this task. Choose the folder you want to color. This could be a project folder, a client folder, or anything you check often. When you hover your mouse over the folder's name, a small set of three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, should appear. If you don't immediately see the three dots, move your cursor directly over the folder name and pause for a second. The icon usually fades in. Make sure the folder list isn't collapsed, and scroll if you have a long list. Click those three dots to open the menu. In the options that appear, look for Change Color. Hover your cursor over Change Color to reveal the color palette. You'll see several swatches you can choose from. Take a moment to think about a system you'll actually stick with. For example, you might use cool colors for internal work, warm colors for time-sensitive items, or a bright standout color for high-priority folders. Consistency across your folders will make the colors more meaningful over time. When you're ready, click the color you want. The folder will update instantly, so you can immediately see how it looks in your list. If the color feels too subtle or too bold, simply repeat the process and try another shade. You can change folder colors as often as you like without affecting the emails inside. A quick tip for readability. Pick colors that contrast well with your theme, especially if you use dark mode. Also, avoid assigning too many different colors at once. 2 to 4 distinct colors usually strikes a good balance between clarity and visual noise. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to your folders, use the three dots to open the menu, hover over Change Color, and pick the shade that helps you stay organized. Feel free to repeat this for any other folders you want to highlight, and refine your color scheme as your workflow evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more colorful Outlook experience.